In the last couple of months, a lot of people asked me this question. What if you lose everything? How you will start from scratch? So what I did is I compressed, squeezed, and put all my experience, more than 5 years of experience working online, in this short video to show you 8 steps to build an online business from scratch. Keep watching. Hi everyone, I'm Hasan from Educate and you are watching the 8 steps guide to build an online business from scratch. If this is your first time here on my channel, here I share with you videos about online business, digital marketing, real case studies, real experience, and something you will really love. So don't forget, subscribe, turn on notifications and like the video to get every new update. Before we go with step number 1, I want to tell you something very important. I believe that 95% of people watching this video will not even continue it. And from the other 5%, only 2% will take action. At least they will keep learning, keep searching, and start working. This is why only 2% will succeed. So if you want to be from these 2%, make sure to watch this video. It's short, and make sure to take action. At least ask questions in the comment. At least join our Telegram group, ask questions. I will be with you to help you, and at least do something and take action. So anyway, let's start with step number 1. Build your audience. In step number 1, you will simply start putting content online. You have to create content. Instagram, YouTube, blog, whatever you want, any piece of content that you will give value with, and what you have to know, that you will not expect anything in return. In this step, in step number 1, you will give value to build audience, to attract people without any expectation. It's only building trust and relations with people. So give value, build audience without expectations. Step number 2, after you build an audience, whatever this audience is, in any niche, now you have to learn a monetizable skill. What do I mean? Let's give an example. Let's say your target audience is digital marketers. So you can learn how to design social media posts, how to manage social media accounts, how to use Google ads. You can learn how to run Facebook ads. Any digital marketing skill you can learn, so later on you can sell to your target audience. So you have to learn a monetizable skill. And here on my channel I shared with you a lot of skills, a lot of gigs to learn. A lot of things that even doesn't require too much time to learn, and you can sell to your audience. Another example, if your target audience is YouTubers, you can learn video editing, creating thumbnails, optimizing YouTube videos, and then you can deliver this service to this target audience. Step number 3 is to offer this service for free. I'm not telling you provide it for free. No, offer it for free. It's somehow different. So in step 3, you will reach out to people, to your audience that you targeted, and provide them the service for free. Let's give an example to make things simple. Let's say you are targeting digital marketers again, and you know this person has an Instagram account. What you can do is to build a package of Instagram posts and send him an email to this person and that person and so on, to a couple of people, showing them your work and giving it for free. So in this way, those people, when they see your work and you are giving it for free, they may contact you again so you can work with them and so on. So step number 3 is to offer your service for free, to get some customers for free, and then you can build your reputation, get some reviews, testimonials, and in step 4, you can create your portfolio. Your portfolio is an online page that shows your work, shows your customers' reviews, and so on. So you have authority. you have credibility online to contact someone later on in step 5 and sell your service. So step number 5 is to turn your free offer into a paid gig. So you can go to freelancing websites and start providing your service as a paid service. Now we are selling our service. You are selling your gig. In step number 6, even though you build an audience, even though you have a portfolio, even though you published your gigs on freelancing websites, you will not just sit down and wait for customers. No. In step number 6, you will do some work to promote your services again to your audience and to new clients. So you can use cold mailing, you can maybe run paid ads if you have a budget, but I think cold outreach, emails and DMs is the best way to promote services. Step number 7 is simply to turn your service into a product. So in this way, you will scale your business from a freelancer who is giving a service and selling a service into a full business. As an example, you can build a digital marketing agency providing a package of Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads management, social media packages, so you can sell full packages, deliver full services as a real business, as a full business. So in this step, you will turn your gig, your small service into a product. You can build a course related to your service and sell it online. So you can build digital products and sell them. Then in step number 8, automate your business. In this step, after you scale it, you are going to hire people. You will hire someone, a freelancer, to do the services for you. If you remember my drop servicing course, I showed you how you can sit down at home and automate your business with drop servicing. So in step number 8, you are going to hire people to do the job instead of you, and you can focus on more research, on scaling up and doing other things. So these are the 8 steps to build an online business from scratch. So to sum things up, step number 1, build audience, give value without expectation. Step number 2, learn a monetizable skill. Step number 3, offer the service for free. Step number 4, create your portfolio. Step number 5, turn your gig into a paid service. Step number 6, promote your service. Step number 7, scale up your business and create products out of your services. Step number 8, automate your business with drop servicing by hiring people in your business. Before I end this video, I have 2 important points to mention as a small advice for you. While you are building this full business, try to document everything so you can share even this documentation as a content, as a value. Maybe you can sell it, you can share your experience. The second tip is learn technical stuff. Learn how to code, how to build websites, web development, learn how to use web servers. These skills will help you a lot to build your online business. Believe me, these skills helped me a lot, really a lot in my business and helped me a lot to scale up, to grow faster. So try your best to dedicate every day like 1 hour, 30 minutes to learn technical skills like coding, HTML, web design, web servers, hosting, and so on. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget, please hit the like button, subscribe, notifications to get every new update. See you later.